Hello, biogas plant operators. Today we're visiting a biogas plant to show you some Anaergia Technologies products. This is the secondary fermenter and we're standing on the platform of a Service Box Pro. Can you explain the advantages to us?
Sure, Julia, I'd love to. Of course, the main advantage of a service box is that you can reach the mixer very quickly. We can service or replace a mixer and install it back in the fermenter in just 1 or 2 hours. This means minimum mixer downtime, very little gas loss, and particularly important these days, few emissions.
When you say service, does that include cranking up the mixer in the tank here and adjusting its orientation?
Yes, the mixer is attached to mixer mast here, under the control unit, and we can use this crank to easily bring the mixer up alongside the mast. You can see there's a winch for it here. Then we take the 3 covers off and can easily pull the mixer out. We can quickly access the mixer from this position. It's child play, really. We then wash the mixer and reach the main components. We can also adjust the direction of the mixer here. That is, swivel it through 180 to 200 degrees.
The overpressure and underpressure protection is another advantage, isn't it?
Yeah, the service box contains other important components. The overpressure and underpressure protection is an example of an essential safety feature for a biogas plant. As it's installed in the fermenter, that is, in a warm climate, frost protection is not an issue. There's no need to top up any antifreeze. The sealant or water is regularly rinsed and does not freeze.
And there are the gas lines.
Yes, just like the overpressure and underpressure protection, the gas lines are placed in optimum positions. We are more than 2 meters away from the substrate here, and this gives us the certainty that slurry or substrate will never block the pipeline here. The gas pipe will become less polluted in general, ensuring that the gas transported to the CHP is cleaner.
When I compare the Service Box Pro to the Classic, I immediately notice that the Classic version only had 1 opening, and now there are 3. What are the other differences?
The main difference between the Service Box Pro and the Service Box Classic is that the Pro version enables us to install mixers with a larger diameter or a larger construction. We can integrate the Service Box Pro into foil roofs of up to 45 degrees, that is, into a 1/3 sphere. This is the main difference with the Classic version. Furthermore, the design of the Classic version is less complex, and it is sufficient for foil roofs of up to 35 or a maximum of 40 degrees, that is, a 1/4 sphere.
One last question. This plant is an Anaergia plant. What if operators of plants built by the competition are interested in a service box? Can it be installed there as well?
Yes, that's always possible. The integration of our service box has been accepted by all known foil roof manufacturers, and the essential interfaces are known to all parties.
So this is definitely interesting for repowering measures.
Yes, its excellent adjustment possibilities, for example through height adjustment, makes the service box a very useful addition, especially for repowering fermentation product stores, for example. We can check the level at any time through the sight glass, which looks onto the substrate from above.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome, Julia.
I hope this has been as entertaining to you as it has to us, and that we have given you some interesting information. If you have any questions, here is our contact information. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.